Hey everyone, what's going on? In today's video we're going into a free dropshipping course. Let's get straight into it. Hey everyone, here it's Ricky, your man here from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, and today we're going into a crash course on Shopify Dropshipping, pretty much A to Z. Going to show you pretty much what I would do. This is not going to take long at all. So you're going to need a Shopify store. There's a link down below if you're interested. Use the Brooklyn theme. You don't need a paid theme. Install Oberlo. It's usually installed by default. You need a domain. Use GoDaddy. If you want email, there's G Suite. It's $5 a month. GoDaddy's 99 cents for the first year. Install the theme. It's super easy. Install bulk discount app, personal by Booster apps. Personalize a Wheelio and aftership at minimum. So you have average order value so that people add different items from personalizer, exit intent for Wheelio, after ship for tracking, and then you're going to need your policies, and we'll go into that in a second, and as well as a trust badge underneath your cart button. You're going to need to do product research, and then we simply make an ad. All right, so let's get into it. So I went on my Facebook, and I literally just typed in 50% off today. Right now, don't worry so much about saturation. I mean, as long as it's under 500,000 views, it's fine. Look at this. This caught my attention as something that I would test. It doesn't have a huge amount of likes in that, but if I drilled down a bit further, I'm sure I could find it. I opened up their website, so it's a pet nail trimmer. If I put in here, pet nail trimmer, maybe I might come up with some other videos to get an idea. Yeah, so we can see other people are marketing it. We can see here that this is likely, yeah, this is cool as fuck. Okay. Cool story. Anyway, but we can see other people are marketing it. It hasn't had a huge amount of success, but it's a product that interests me because it solves a problem helping parents, or not parents, people to with their cat's nails. Alright, so we now have a product. If we go to their website, like I did the one I just showed you, fuck off Zendesk, is you can see here they're using Looks. That's the Looks pop-out widget. You can just see the Looks little branding there. They're trying to increase average order value by doing it as part of the variants rather than an app. They got a video there. They got images. They got the description. Copy it. Okay, there you go. There's your description. You got your title. It's pretty basic. It's about 50% off. So that's what we're going to use in our ad. 50% off. They got the trust badge. They also got another badge there that, frankly, they should change the background of this. In my opinion, it looks shit. They've got an add to cart button at the bottom, trying to get people to click through. They're using the frequently bought together app. They're using the Looks again for the reviews that they've just imported from AliExpress, and they've got their policies. Okay, so you got shipping, about us, contact us, privacy policy. All you need to do is generate those policies. These 3 policies you can do in the back end of Shopify. You're done. Add them as pages. You're done. Copy this. Just copy that. And then you're done. You can see how now you've got a description, you've got a title, you've got the policies. You go add to cart. Okay, you want to see what they're sort of doing, get an idea. This is important. No extra taxes apparently. That's reassuring. They're not using personalizer, they should be. Anyway, if we go to checkout, and we can see here Trendy 43, they're using the checkout hack, which is anyone interested, Conversion Pirate checkout hack, Google it. And reason that I did this as well is that now I'm going to get remarketed on this account because it's picked up their pixel. It's fired the initiate checkout. Okay, because I've initiated checkout, I'm a highly engaged buyer. Okay, so I'm doing multiple things at the same time. All right, so now I have done that. You look for the product. I like the product. I find it on AliExpress. I literally just copy and pasted the entire name into here, and bam, straight away in 5 seconds found it. So what are they marketing this for? $24.99. I don't remember if they said it was free shipping or not. I presume it's not free shipping. So that's $6.50 if you're using Dropshipping as well, because I use Dropshipping, is included. You can actually see that e-packet to the US is $2.83. Okay, so a total $6. It's actually $3.67 for the individual product. So we've got here nearly about a $20 profit margin using Facebook ads. Alright, now that was another product randomly found. What you want to do then is get one of these videos, use fbdown.net. You go literally copy and paste the URL into here, download the video, use something like Camtasia, there's Filmora, there's a number of them depending on your skills and comfort with video editing. I'm not the best video editor, I'm not going to lie, so I try and keep it simple. but you download the video, so now we have the video, okay? So we've now done product research. As I said, just use terms like 50% off today, get yours here cat, get yours here kitchen, just simple little terms like that. You're going to find a myriad of products to test, okay? That's product research done, not even 10 minutes in, okay? And you use FB down to download it, okay? That's as simple as it gets. Then you want to make a new campaign. So if we jump into my Facebook Ads Manager, just this bogus one I've made, using different product, it doesn't matter. So basically, I use the quick selection. You can use the guided, but I use quick selection. It's quicker and it's easier. Just name it, okay? You just name it, whatever. Change it to conversions. I don't use budget optimization or split test. I am testing budget optimization, but for your purposes, don't use it. Just give it a name and a name again, okay? But I'm going to go into the one that I've made, which is the hair straightener. I know it's not the nail clip one, but it's the exact same process. What you want to do is you make your ad set. You choose the purchase event, wherever the purchase, okay? Obviously, I've had no purchases. That's why. You want to choose a daily budget, $5. This ad account's in USD. That's just how I set it. Make sure it's in the currency that you have it set in. Okay, obviously my base country is Australia. Change it to United States. All right, you know, you want to change. Now, I don't target immediately anyone under the age of 25. Okay, they're hard buyers. You'll find most of your buyers for the younger generations 25-34. Okay, expert tip from hundreds of thousands of dollars worth in ad spend. Okay, women, you just want to go women. This is a women's product because it's a hair straightener and you'll see it in a second. Choose English all. You want to go interests. I'm going purely off the top of my head. I don't know any, I can't remember any beauty magazines or something. So top 10 beauty magazines. If you're not sure for interest, just literally type that, okay? Top 10 beauty magazines. That's all I did. All right, now we got Vogue. All right, I've got a starting point, Vogue. So I've put in Vogue. Vogue magazine, there we go. So Vogue, and we've got a large audience. We can add a few more. Cosmopolitan, I remember that one, and Ali. All right, and so we want to narrow it down to people that are, you know, we know that they're into beauty and cosmetics, so they're interested in this. And then we put in something broad like hair straightener, hair straightening. Okay, that's too short. Okay, so hair products. Okay, there we go. So that's very broad again. And then you just want to go online. I always use online shopping. So online shopping. All right, there we go. All right, so that hasn't narrowed it down. I usually go in between 2 to 10 mil, but for the sake of this example, that's fine. All right, and so you want to edit placements. You want to take out desktop because desktop, your CPC, cost per click, is going to be really high. You want to take out all placements but newsfeed for Facebook and Instagram, okay? Why? Because that's where most of your budget's going to be spent anyway. You can split test these down the line, but that's where you're going to get the majority of sales. All mobile devices, I never use when connected to Wi-Fi. There's a million theories, a load of crap. One day click, just leave that. Don't worry if you don't have any purchases. Just go straight purchase. All right, next. Now that we've made the ad set, we make the actual ad creative. I've already gone ahead and imported it. It says it has text in it. You can just go request a manual review if that ever happens. You want to choose your page. I suggest making an Instagram page, a business one, connecting it to your business manager so you can build followers at the same time as you're doing paid marketing. All right, and I've just gone ahead and made this creative, okay? So struggle from messy hair in the morning. Our hair straightener redefines how you straighten your hair. I would just use emojis here, like, you know, just hair or someone's face as a little emoji. A little tick here, tick emoji, free shipping worldwide, 50% off limited time. Get yours here. Just copy and paste your URL into Bitly. Make a Bitly URL, paste it in there, done. And then we put in, you know, www.dogs.com. Who cares? Pretend this is the Bitly URL, www.dogs.com. All right, there we go. The headline is we want to keep it a nice headline. So, oh my God, this. Oh my God, no. So, oh my God, I love this. Okay, because what it's going to be is it's going to be women that love, you know, their hair straightened. They're probably going to wake up in the morning, their hair's all frizzy and messy, and they're like, oh my God, I need this, okay? And so you just want to put something like that. Don't overthink it. Just go off the top of your head, 50% off plus free shipping. Alright, there we go. So we've told them the benefits. It solves a problem, which is a need item, okay? You got to understand the difference. That's in another video. Go watch it. We just go shop now. We choose the pixel. Don't worry about URL parameters, and you're done, okay? Alright, how easy was that? So now, in the space of, what, less than 10-15 minutes, you've learnt all you really need to make a store. You just need to spend a couple of hours to get these things set up. It's mainly the store part set up. Okay, you just want to use a competitor's web page as an example. Copy their pictures, copy their description, okay, copy their title, their price scheme. Don't get into a price war. Don't do it. Okay, you know, you want your trust badge, you're all good to go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's how I do product research. It's not that hard. You just keep it very simple. Pump out the products. Get those numbers smashing, okay, guys? If you did like today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Ricky Hayes IG, okay? If you do want to join my free Facebook group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle on Facebook, okay? And lastly, there is my my course is released. It's absolutely fantastic. Getting so many testimonials. People already crushing it already. If you want my advanced secrets, you need to get the course, okay? And the price is not going down, okay? It is an absolute steal of a price. Lastly as well, I do have an affiliate program as well, okay? So 50% commission. If you refer someone from the affiliate link, there's a link down below, you get 50%. I pay you into PayPal. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, that's it from today's lesson. Thanks for your time.